Today I'm building a tomato trellis. I want these trellises to be as wide as my garden beds, which are 4 feet wide. So I'm using 2 8-foot long 2x3 wood pieces and 1 4-foot long one to go across the top. I also got these L brackets off of Amazon and some hooks along with these J hooks. I think that's what they're called. So I'm just gonna line it up. I'm gonna drill some deck screws in here, the kind that you don't need pre-drilling for, just to make my life easier. And I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'm gonna take my L bracket, I'm gonna place it right here, and I'm gonna attach them with some smaller deck screws. Next, I'm gonna take these hooks right here. You could measure this, but I'm just gonna go right where I think the middle is, and then I'm gonna start screwing these in. So what I'm planning to do with this trellis is, of course, use it for tomatoes, but whenever I'm not growing tomatoes on it, I can also use it for things like cucumbers or peas or any other vining crop that I want to grow vertically. Because I have those hooks there, I'll be able to just hang these J hooks from it and then trellis up my tomatoes using the string method. This is what I'm gonna be left with. It's gonna be really tall so I can grow the tomatoes for quite a bit. So now let's move it over to the garden. Oh, how am I gonna get it through here? Okay. Okay, right there. Next, I'm gonna attach it to the garden beds. Next, I'm gonna take these hooks and I'm gonna start attaching them up here. I'm gonna tie this to the bamboo and then I'm gonna place it wherever I'm gonna put my tomato plant, which is gonna be pretty much where the drip is. That way they get a good amount of water. Here I have a few tomatoes that are being trellised in the exact same way. All I do is as the tomato continues to grow, I just start wrapping it around and I make sure to get rid of the bottom leaves. And this is what it'll start to look like as I continue trellising the tomatoes around. This is what the tomato trellises look like a few months later.